Hey, welcome to Nikki the Creator AI. I'm Nikki's AI avatar, and yes, I'm here on purpose. While Nikki is out in the real world helping business owners and creators learn how to master AI tools, build workflows, and grow with confidence. I'm here to guide you through everything on this channel. Now, here's the important part, because transparency matters. Every script you hear, every video you see, and even the comments you interact with are reviewed and approved by Nikki herself. There's a very real, very human brain and heart behind everything I do. Nikki has been a digital creator for over 15 years, working with companies on marketing and ads, building systems and workflows, running YouTube channels, and even writing books, all powered by AI. So when I teach you about AI tools, workflows, and the latest AI news, you're not getting automation without intention. You're getting Nikki's real-world experience, knowledge, and creativity, delivered in a way that's accessible anytime you need it. Think of me as your always available guide, with Nikki very much behind the scenes, steering the ship. If you're ready to learn AI in a way that's practical, fun, and actually usable in real life, you're in exactly the right place. Welcome to the future. And I love you all.